Bloody demanding animals. Look at him. Why don't you go around the back like you do when you want to go around the back? Huh? You're just going to sit there now and whinge at me, aren't you? To let you in. Well, that's actually, you're lucky because I've got to make this video again because the last one there was no sound on it. So, oi. Come on then. In you come. You better do it now because I'm going to fire the bike up, and we all know what happens when I fire the bike up. You throw your toys out the pram and disappear. Anyway, what's up, people of YouTube? So, I just made part one of changing the sensor and the fuel injector on this thing. And what happens is this camera records in 11-minute chunks. So as soon as we get to 11:02, it shuts off and it makes a new video. So this technically was going to be video number 2. But like I said, I recorded it and for some reason there's no sound on it. So I'm going to record it again, but we've kind of lost the initial oh my god factor because the bike is already warm. But anyway, enough of my chatting and the cat's cameo roll. Let's fire it up and you'll see the next fail. Well, yeah, okay. It's already warm, so there's not so much fail now, but I think we can still. If you can't see the smoke, you can definitely smell it. So, I've still got a bad idle. It's a lot better than it was, but it's still not right. Still not right. Oh, it's going off on its own. That's how you read your ECU. Well, that's hunting all over the place now. Now, this is a thing. This really is a thing. Because I don't know what this thing is. It's been on there the whole time I've had the bike, but I've got no idea what it is. Sucking some oil out of the sump. Let's turn it off. We'll turn it off now so that you can actually hear what I'm saying. But yeah, it does seem that I seem to be sucking oil up out of the sump. So I would imagine, for some reason, I've got piston ring failure or valve stem seal. That's the two most likely candidates. Either way, I might as well sit down while I'm chatting. I am a person of age, after all. So yeah, I'm blowing blue smoke out, which is engine oil, which is not good. Except it could be good for you lot, because the next step really is to pull the engine down. And following that, I suppose really, if we're going to do any engine work on it, we might as well make it into a 285. Oh dear. Much entertainment for you lot. Much discomfort for my bank balance, but I suppose if it does go like a 300 afterwards, whoopee bloody do. So anyway, what does the 285 kit involve? Well, from what I've seen on the interweb, it involves new crankshaft. Oh, I've got hiccups. New crankshaft, new balancer shaft, Inlet camshaft is different. I'm not sure exactly what role that plays, because if it's going to shift all the power right up into the red line, I don't really want it up there. I want bottom end grunt, but I'll do a bit more research on that. The throttle body is bigger. There's three different throttle bodies on the early 250, which this is. The post 17 250, those have got two different throttle bodies, and the 300 has got another different part number again. So from what I've seen on the interweb, crankshaft, balancer shaft, inlet cam, throttle body, ECU, and a bunch of gaskets. The injector is the same part number across the whole range, and I've just put a brand new injector in it. So I think I better start pricing some parts up. Watch out, watch out. It's going to be time for the engine out. See ya.